Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today we are going to be revisiting, very quickly, the Helix Gen 2. Now, in my original video, which you can see up here, which covers the basics and some of the history of this machine, I said that there were two keyboard options available. I was incorrect. There is a third keyboard option, and in fact, it is the one that I would recommend if you are unable to find a Pro version. So just to give you a quick update, the Pro version had the track point and it was considerably more robust. It had a hinge and all that. The basic one, which we see here, is one that I do not recommend because this is being held in by friction and it doesn't take too much for this to literally fall open. The other part of this is that you have to hinge the device very precisely into this keyboard stand, and it has one specific set angle, and again, there is nothing holding that into place. So enough of what we don't like, let's take a look at what we have available as an option. This is the Folio. So the Folio has this very subtle but very classy ThinkPad branding in the top right hand corner, and of course a hole for the front-facing web camera. And then we have a little elastic loop there to hold the pen. We undo the Velcro tab. We can go ahead and flip open the back, and this back can be adjusted for any set comfort height. And then we just simply flip the machine up and back. Now, you will notice that there is no track point, which is disappointing. However, due to the thinness of this, it would probably have been very difficult and expensive to include that feature. However, the trackpad has a very nice click to it, only in the bottom corners, so you're not going to accidentally click the top. And the keyboard, while it is a very shallow travel indeed, it is very serviceable. There is no backlight, and to undock this device, all you have to do is pull up and it releases. To me, this is a much better solution than the one that was previously shown. The magnets are nice and strong, and you can pretty much set this at a variety of different angles using this back fabric piece. So even though it might seem like a very simple solution, this to me, if you're not going after the Pro keyboard, would be the keyboard to track down. It looks smart, it works, it's easy to dock. There's really nothing not to like. Anyway, I thought I would do this quick little update because one of these came across my desk. I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And as always, if you really enjoyed this content, I'll leave the big 4 here at the bottom for you. Please like the video, share it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so if there are any updates like this to other videos, you are made aware of them as soon as they come live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.